Welcome to Car Garage, your go-to destination for the latest car reviews, specs, features, and in-depth automotive insights. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Chevrolet SS 427, a highly anticipated muscle car that revives the legendary 427 badge while introducing modern engineering, aggressive styling, and cutting-edge technology. This model pays homage to Chevrolet's performance heritage while embracing the advancements necessary to compete in today's high-performance automotive world. At the heart of the 2025 Chevrolet SS 427 is an impressive 7.0-liter V8 engine, delivering raw, unfiltered power. This naturally aspirated engine is expected to push over 500 horsepower and significant torque, ensuring thrilling acceleration and an engaging driving experience. Unlike the turbocharged and supercharged engines found in many modern performance cars, this big block V8 keeps things old school with a deep, roaring exhaust note that muscle car enthusiasts will love. It comes paired with a 6-speed manual transmission for those who prefer complete control over shifting, while an advanced automatic transmission option offers lightning-fast shifts and improved efficiency. Chevrolet has fine-tuned the intake and exhaust systems for optimal airflow and responsiveness, making this a true powerhouse built for the road and track alike. Exterior design: Chevrolet has crafted the 2025 SS 427 to be bold, aggressive, and unmistakably muscular. The car features a wide stance, sculpted body lines, and an imposing front grille that houses the signature SS badging. LED headlights and taillights provide a modern touch while enhancing visibility. The aerodynamic improvements, including a functional hood scoop and rear spoiler, not only add to the car's aggressive look but also improve performance by increasing downforce and stability at high speeds. Optional carbon fiber elements, such as a lightweight hood and side mirrors, further enhance the sporty aesthetic while reducing weight. Chevrolet has also introduced exclusive paint options and stripe packages that allow buyers to personalize their SS 427 and make it stand out even more. Stepping inside the 2025 Chevrolet SS 427, you're greeted with a driver-focused cockpit that seamlessly blends classic muscle car elements with modern technology. Premium leather and Alcantara upholstery with contrast stitching give the interior a luxurious yet performance-oriented feel. The seats are designed for both comfort and support, featuring bolstered sides to keep drivers firmly in place during spirited driving. The dashboard houses a fully digital instrument cluster that provides real-time performance data, including speed, RPM, fuel efficiency, and even track mode settings. The large touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity for navigation, music, and calls. Chevrolet has also equipped the SS 427 with an upgraded premium sound system, perfect for those who want to enjoy their favorite tunes while cruising. Safety and driver assistance features have also been upgraded in the 2025 SS 427, proving that performance and safety can go hand in hand. Advanced driver aids such as adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and rear cross traffic alert help enhance driver awareness and reduce the risk of accidents. The car is also equipped with high-performance Brembo brakes, ensuring confident stopping power even at high speeds. Chevrolet has included multiple driving modes, allowing drivers to customize throttle response, steering feel, suspension stiffness, and traction control settings to match their driving style and road conditions. Whether you're on the highway, at the track, or tackling winding back roads, the SS 427 delivers a dynamic and engaging ride. Performance is not just about power. Handling and drivability also play a crucial role. The 2025 Chevrolet SS 427 is equipped with a sport-tuned suspension, featuring adaptive dampers that automatically adjust to provide the best balance of comfort and performance. The wider performance tires improve grip and cornering stability, allowing drivers to push the car to its limits with confidence. Chevrolet has also fine-tuned the chassis to reduce body roll and improve weight distribution, ensuring that this muscle car can handle sharp turns and high-speed maneuvers with ease. Despite its aggressive nature, the 2025 SS 427 remains practical enough for everyday use. The cabin offers ample space for both the driver and passengers, and the trunk is large enough to accommodate luggage, groceries, or other essentials. The car's fuel efficiency, while not its main selling point, is optimized through advanced engine management technology, making it a reasonable choice for those who want a high-performance vehicle without constantly worrying about refueling. The SS 427 strikes a fine balance between being a weekend track warrior and a daily driver that still provides comfort and convenience. Pricing: Chevrolet has not yet officially announced the cost of the 2025 SS 427. However, industry experts predict that it will be competitively priced within the muscle car segment, likely in the range of its direct rivals, such as the Dodge Challenger SRT and Ford Mustang Shelby GT 500. Chevrolet is also expected to offer multiple trim levels and optional performance packages, allowing buyers to customize their SS 427 to their preferences. Enthusiasts can expect a variety of upgrades, including performance suspension kits, exhaust modifications, and track-ready enhancements that further boost power and handling. The return of the Chevrolet SS 427 is a significant moment for muscle car enthusiasts and the automotive industry as a whole. This car embodies the raw power and aggressive styling that made the original SS models legendary while incorporating modern advancements that make it more refined and capable than ever before. Whether you're a die-hard Chevy fan, a collector looking for a new addition, or someone searching for an adrenaline-pumping driving experience, the 2025 Chevrolet SS 427 is a car worth considering. If you enjoyed this detailed breakdown of the 2025 Chevrolet SS 427, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth car reviews, comparisons, and the latest automotive news. Stay tuned for more exciting content right here at Car Garage.